Imagine a U.S. university sending over $200,000, not to their trusted contractor, but straight into the pockets of a scammer halfway across the world. Sounds impossible, right? Well, the FBI says that's exactly what happened. And at the center of it all, one man named Adekunle. In September 2025, the U.S. Department of Justice revealed a shocking cybercrime case. Adekunle, a Nigerian living in the United Kingdom, allegedly hacked into the email system of a construction company working on a U.S. university project. Here's how it worked. First, he gained access to company emails. Next, he secretly created forwarding rules, so he could monitor conversations in real time. Then, he registered a fake domain that looked almost identical to the contractor's real one. Using this spoofed email, he tricked the university into sending payments, over $235,000, into a fraudulent bank account. But the FBI's cyber division picked up the trail. Working with UK law enforcement, they tracked Adekunle and arrested him in London on September 15, 2025. He now faces charges of wire fraud and computer fraud in the US, crimes that could carry heavy prison sentences if he's extradited and convicted. Lesson for viewers: how to avoid falling victim. This scam highlights a growing threat called business email compromise (BC). Hackers don't always break into bank accounts directly, they impersonate trusted partners. To stay safe, always double-check payment instructions through a verified phone call. Be wary of email domains that look almost but not quite right. Enable two-factor authentication on company emails. And train staff to spot unusual requests. The $235,000 is still missing, but one thing is clear: cybercrime knows no borders. Adekunle thought he could hide behind screens, but the FBI caught up with him. What do you think? Should criminals like this face harsher penalties to send a stronger message? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Scam Chronicles for more real stories of deception, fraud, and the people who try to get away with it.